Use the software you're familiar with to quickly design and iterate options for your factory line layout, and seamlessly combine your 2D layouts and 3D mechanical designs. On complex projects, the challenge is keeping everyone's work coordinated while giving each team member the flexibility to excel at their part of the process. Autodesk Factory Design Utilities provides an asset library and management system that helps you focus on designing systems rather than creating content. Factory design assets are intelligent. Connectors help you snap assets together for easy alignment. And parametric changes and design logic added to your assets in Inventor make it easy to configure your assets in AutoCAD. Save time and simplify the addition of multiple similar assets that connect to each other by drawing a path for your assets using familiar AutoCAD drawing tools. Automatically replace the paths with multiple chained assets at once. Factory Design Utilities will work out the optimal spacing of your components based on the design rules in your assets. When we're ready to share our layout, we can sync to Inventor to populate the 2D layout with 3D versions of our equipment assets. In 3D, we can continue to refine the design by examining and coordinating the height dimension of our assets. We can make the same parametric changes in Inventor that we made in AutoCAD, and notice that the connection points can pass parameter values between assets, keeping assets that need to have the same dimension always aligned. All changes made in Inventor sync back to AutoCAD, keeping your whole team in alignment and preventing coordination errors. Use the tools you're familiar with, automate your workflows, and collaborate on a synchronized dataset with AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, and Factory Design Utilities, all part of the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection.